Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to Jersey Nick Moto. Today we got mail call number 5. We got 2 pieces of mail today, 2 good channels, 2 great channels. First one is from Stevie TV. Stevie, if you're watching, I know you got that old Gator deck. I threw a lot of my old ones out, but I got my old Lance Mountain out here today, just for you. I had so many of them from years ago that I got rid of. I had that Gator deck. The Gator board was my first real skateboard. I like Stevie's channel a lot. I've been watching it a long time. Not only is he a skateboarder, I'm an old washed up skateboarder. I still take a board out once in a while then. He's still doing pools and stuff, but I'll cruise down the street and shit like that. But what I also like is I like Stevie's off topics a lot. You get to know a little bit about the other moto vloggers and stuff like that. I think he does a really good job doing those interviews. It's really cool. So let's check out what he sent me. Oh, we got 2 cool stickers here with his bulldog on him. Very nice. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. And I think there's a letter in there. It says, yo, dude, thanks for the stickers and the constant support out of Stevie TV tickers. Not sure if I'll be making more. If I do, I'll send you some. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. These stickers, these are cool, man. These are good enough. Thanks a lot. Stevie TV, if you have not yet, go check him out. All right, the next one is from Rash HD, and I actually found him through one of Stevie's off topics. That's how I found his channel. I believe he's in Western Canada. He rides a Suzuki 250, and he rode that thing to work over the winter in a lot of cold weather. That was pretty impressive. I've been watching his channel for a while too. He's got a lot of good stuff. So let's see what he sent. He sent a little note here. Jersey Nick, thanks for stickers, man. Soon you'll be on 2 wheels again. Thanks for the support, man. Yeah, winter's over, man. I'm back on 2 wheels. Thank you very much. And he sent me a sticker. Rash HD. Thanks a lot, man. It'll be going up on the board. So that's it for today's mail call. I'll have their channels linked below as usual. Check them out. They got really good stuff. I'll put up a picture of the sticker board. If you don't see your sticker up there and you want to trade stickers, or if you don't have anything to trade and you just want my stickers, hit me up. It's Instagram, NickyG1978. Send me a message on there, or you could email me, jerseynickmoto@gmail.com. I'll have all that below also. And that's about it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Later.